So what are the top tips for a dog who shows fear responses or startle to noises such as fireworks and thunder? Well, if you've got a dog who responds to fireworks, then one of the things to do is don't wait until fireworks season. So you have a whole year to plan and teach the dog to be comfortable with those noises. So one of the things I tend to do is teach my dog that using a lowered intensity sound. So you can, on your phone, you can get some videos or sounds of fireworks playing, and you can play them at a really low volume so that the dog doesn't get scared. And we can associate those sounds with food, with stuffed toys like Kongs, with cuddles and massages if the dogs like those things. And what starts happening is the dog goes, when that volume is on and it's really low, I don't get scared, good things happen, and they learn to relax. And then we can start to increase the volume slowly. And what we don't ever want to do is increase the volume so it scares the dog. And then over time, you'll end up with a full stereo system or surround sound system, blasting out fireworks sounds, and the dog couldn't care any less. They'd be really happy. Like, when our sounds happen, I get lots of treats. So we want to build a positive association. The other thing I would suggest is if you have to use medications and your dog gets really scared, is think about going to see your vet, so your vet behaviorist or trainer, earlier. So go and see them a month or two before the fireworks so they can get a plan for your dog before it's too late. The other things you can do are you can put the curtains closed, you can turn up the music, background sounds, put on soothing sounds. You can even have your dog in a room towards the back or the front or the middle of the house where the noises are going to be the least amount. And then with thunder, again, we can have similar strategies. We can have thunder sounds on CDs or your phone, and we can play them to the dog at small volumes and increase the volume over time, making it a happy experience for the dog. I always also have a safe place for my dog. So in the house, I'll have a place where my dog can feel comfortable and relaxed. And I make sure at the times when the scary things are happening, the dog can walk up to their safe place and relax. I never drag my dog away from the scary thing. I never pull them out, of the safe place. And I tend not to just use under the bed or under the stairs, because when your dog runs under the stairs, they're going to stay scared. Whereas if you actively spend a few minutes teaching them every day, you put a little mat down and you teach them to sit on the mat, to relax, it becomes their safe place. And it's almost when you go home and you sit on your couch or your bed, your muscles relax and you go, I can take a deep breath. And that's what we want for our dogs. We want them to sit on a mat and they go, I can feel comfortable. We don't want them to go under the bed and go, oh my God, I'm scared. I'm just going to sit here and be really scared. So a safe place is a place that you've taught the dog to be comfortable and happy. It's not a place to just run and hide.